Ow. Hello. I'm testing. I'm not testing anything actually. I kind of am. So I have moved my table from one side of the room to this side because I don't know how to explain this, but there's a leak on the top basically, and it is causing issues with the ceiling. And I think it needs to be repaired. And because there's a lot of electronics and it's water, we have moved my setup temporarily. I'm not sure if I have a photo that I can show. Like, oh, it's gotten worse. It actually has gotten quite a fair bit worse. Like, that's the ceiling right now. It's pretty bad. It's not okay, it's not that bad. But it definitely needs to be fixed before it gets worse. But because of that, I have moved to this side, which has very bad lighting because I don't have a place to put my lights, and I don't really want to invest in lights right now. So this is what you're gonna have to deal with. And it's weird because I'm so used to having my mic here on this side, and now it's here. It's very weird for me. But anyway, today, let me close down all the random tabs I have open. Today, I wanted to... okay, now I also need to figure out how does my scenes work, because it's been a while. I think I did. There we go. All right. So what I'm trying to do today is that this is kind of like a... not a practice exam, kind of. Duplicate as TIFF. Why? TIFF is okay, whatever. It doesn't really matter. But this is like a practice exam, kinda, that my friend had for like some job application. So I thought it was like, you know what? Let's have some fun. Let's have some fun and try it. I have looked at it a bit, so this is not fair. Like 30 minutes. I have looked at it a bit, so it's not exactly fair. And there was one problem in particular that he was asking about, and then we did together. So yeah, but I'm gonna try do this without by the way, this is not just 2 questions, it's like more. I don't know if I have the image downloaded. Let me check. I'm not sure if I do have the image downloaded. Let me go download it first so I don't leak anything. By the way, I'm buying a new laptop, which is but it's okay. I make it sound as if I'm buying a brand new spanking laptop, but I have bought rather a refurbished 8th generation Intel processor, so 8 cores finally. In the refurbished seat, that is, 8 cores isn't that new, but on the refurbished side, it is. So I'm excited to get it in because that means I can have a laptop that runs Linux, and we can do more fun streams with it because basically I can't run both at the same time. The M1 Mac and Macs are just terrible for streaming. So anything desktop capture wise on Mac just sucks. So I'm hoping that with a Windows PC, it's easier. And I also can do like screen capture on the Windows laptop and then my Mac stream it or something along that lines. And something that will relieve graphics pressure from my desktop PC as well. And I want something portable, like my desktop PC, but it's running Windows so I can run OBS nicely. Anyway, I got it downloaded. I need to set up a timer. I don't know what's the best way. To me, the best way is to set up Google timer. Okay, let me show you what I'm dealing with here. I keep forgetting which is my scene. think it's display. Yeah, it's display. No, stop. And we just have that somewhere on the side, like that. Bam. Right. That seems good. And I'm just realized I'm hearing lo-fi music. Forgot that I have that running. Right, so let's give it 30 minutes and give it a shot. I think I have the folder set up, so we could just type all our stuff here. I don't know what I'll do, but we'll see. Let me pin this to the top. Yeah, let's see. We're cool here. I'm not. Oh wait, my face cam is covering it. Okay, there we go. All we can do is leave the face cam. Then redrag this here. All right. So let's start in 3, 2, 1. All right, cool. So we want to write an algorithm here to form the diamond shape. As below by using star, you may use Java pseudocode. So it's very easy to create one, hard code it, but I want to create something that takes in any size and we'll just return back an array of whatever size. So I forgot how to make a function call. Shoot. I think it's public's. Oh. Okay, right. Public static method. Yeah, we're gonna public static method. We're just gonna call it. Actually, I'm not gonna return void. I'm gonna return. Do char. And we're gonna call it create diamond shape. I forgot what's the convention for it, so we're gonna put it int or size. And the next thing I want to do is to create the size of it. So we're gonna click. First, I'm gonna check. So size, if size is divisible by 2. I forgot what device else. Oh, I need to disable Copilot. That will definitely. That is not. That is too helpful. In fact, having all my linting and stuff is probably too helpful. Let me disable Copilot real quick. Where the heck is my mouse? What's happening? My mouse is acting really weird. Let me disable for now. How do I disable for now? Disable for this workspace for now. Reload required. Do I need reload? Okay, disable for. I don't want disable for Java. What happens if I click that? Wait. Disable. Whatever. Okay. If device divided by 2 equals to 1. Because we can't really do a diamond, doesn't equal to 1, sorry, equals 0. Throw, no, I want to, how do I throw? It's been a while. I'm just gonna put a comment here. Throw exception, saying invalid size. Or size is less than equals 0. Right, so if not, we can create. So we're gonna create the array first. So that is it's in a while. Char array char size. I'm not sure if my linter is working. I don't think it is. That should be right. And then chari. Yeah, my linter isn't working at all. There's a way to fill. Actually, no, I think I can just do it here. Something like this. I don't remember how it works exactly. We're just gonna make it X. Under space. It's a char, so it needs to be like that, yeah. Next is for I equals 0, I plus plus. I know I is less than size. I don't know what I'm doing. I plus plus. Right. It's been a while. What did I do for a loop? Damn, none of my linting is working. It's been a while since I did Java, man. Right, so we want to start from the middle. Uh, there are a few ways to do this. We can figure out the starting and then move out. There are a few ways to do this. Like one way I can do is like a middle number. Middle of whatever it's called. What's it called? Middle of square. Let's go middle square. A square, and we can call that middle row. Actually, that's better. Middle row, and we can put that as size divided by 2. Right, that will always work, right? Because 5, that will be 2. Yeah, that's fine. So we do int. Oh, that's how we do it. Yeah, I forgot. Whoops. It's been a while, okay. Right, that's how we do things, right? That's a variable. It's been a while. Can you tell I didn't practice any at all? So that's the in the middle. Then outward, bool outward equals true. Jeez. How many outward? How many? This doesn't make sense. I mean, it works. Oh, and I just realized I'm Java. Whoops. Maybe that's why linting isn't working. This should be fine. Maybe? I don't know. It's been a while. Right, so... Right, so... We do this by... We go by row by row. Chare I then middle row. Next thing I want to do is for I equals. I think there's a way to do a faster way, but I forgot really. For j, oh int I 0 j. Wait, j, yeah. J is less than how many outward? J plus plus. Right, yeah, that's correct. It's been a while. Chare I j plus 1. Wait, no. Middle row plus j. Oh no, that needs to be this. Where is my equals? I didn't put it here, jeez. Star? Star. Star. Right, then that will plus 1. Yeah. Then how many outward plus equals plus plus. Right. And then if it's if outward do that, else wait, oh fudge, no, it doesn't matter. Actually, no, this doesn't matter at all. So how many outward? If how many outward plus middle of row equals is more than or equals size fudge. Then flip it with equals false. Get outward else. I keep thinking I'm not. It's been such a long time since I used a language that requires semicolons. I think that's correct. Right, so yeah, that's correct. Then return chari. That's how I do it. So you can take whatever size you want. Cool. Right, now this is this flowchart. This is I'm gonna save this. I'm very sure that the syntax is very wrong. It's been a long time since I did Java. Probably a good thing to revise on Java before I start. It's gonna be like, oh, it's gonna start throwing exceptions. Perfect. It's fine. I'll look through it later. There's probably a lot of things wrong. Oops. Whew. Misplaced construct. We'll look at it later. I don't have too much time. Okay, next we are going to do this. Right, so this one I don't know is the best way to annotate it. I know it'll probably take longer, it's fine. I'm trying to position the mic right now. So we have below is an algorithm that sums all the even numbers between 1 and 20, inclusive, and then displays the sum. It uses a repeat loop, which is this thing, and contains a null except within null else contains a null else within the repeat loop. Null else. The heck is a null else? Okay. Within the loop. So this has to be within, because this is the only part. These are the two else if in the loop. The only thing I can see is like setting a value here. But no, if that's how do Right, okay, what I'm gonna do is gonna fill in the rest first, because we can kind of do it. Right, this is not easy to do. I'm gonna pause the timer. Okay, cool. And I'm gonna create a new like draw the IO, because it's very, oh, what the heck is happening? I'm not sure how much my pinning program likes it when I do this. Yeah, use the root folder. Doesn't matter. I'm just gonna put it all out because it's easy for me to write, but I don't have my iPad with me, so you're gonna have to deal with this, mate. Right. Let me. This is start. That's that. Diamond, square. I could also use Figma for this. Oh, they're both coming from the interesting. Not that it really matters. It just means that it just means to show that they're converging on the same one, which is weird. That's why I think that now else if might be this. Yeah, I know technically this gives me more time to think, which is not right, but I don't really care. This is a practice and not very meaningful one. It is meaningful, but not that meaningful. Right. True, false. Then this one goes back up to draw the things here. Why is it doing some weird no arrows? Oh, it's thinking it's here. There we go. Right, and this is goes to here. I'm gonna draw you here. Draw you here. Then I'm gonna type this false. False. Right. True. False. This is true. Right, I think we got all of it in, right? Okay. So this one is obviously the loop. Is count more than 20. So this I'm just gonna put is count over 20. And I keep using my wrong finger for it. Alright, this is not related. Okay, it's count so weird. So if count is an even number, sum equals 0. This is really dumb. Okay, this is how I think. Sum's also even numbers between it is count even. If it's true, count with sum equals sum plus count. I was gonna put sum plus equals count because that's what I'm used to. This is a bit weird. Start display sum. This is weird. Oh, I'm supposed to put the numbers here. Oh, gotcha. Okay, that makes more sense. So this is start. I was like, I need to follow this. I was like, what? Yeah, this is start stop. Is count more than 20. Display sum. Is count even number. If that is to say, if that is so. Right. Okay, that makes sense. That's it. Oh wait, I didn't start. Sorry. Right. Okay, that makes sense now. Okay, so that's start. Then I need sum equals 0. Then count equals 1. Then is count even. False. Count plus 1. Count equals count plus 1. That makes sense now. Then I need to annotate this. Sorry, my brain is weird. And I need like helpful things. So that's done. That's done. We have that. We have that. Sum equals sum plus count. Yep. 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 Start. Yep. Display sum. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's it. Pog. Done. Delete you. Yeah, I know it's gonna be pissed. Okay, look, I understand you're pissed. Just ignore it for a while. It's gonna drag it there, so it's easier. Right. Gonna leave you up. I might need you later. Right. So this is that. This part is done. This part's not right. Let me just quickly pull up. Okay, my on top thing is not happy. Oh wait, I haven't minimized, I forgot. Right, there we go. I thought the always on top thing is a bit buggy. Jeez, it's very annoying. Like every time I go over. Oh, that one's fine. Right, swap two integer values, a and b, without using temporary variables. So I'm just gonna use Python. Ctrl KM, Python. So, am I insert? I am insert. Oh, it's lagging. Okay, a equals x, then b equals y. Jeez, why is it capital? Oh no, I don't import anything. What? Wait, why is okay? Stupid. What's happening? I can't click enter. Jeez. Okay. I need to swap in this. Oh, I need to disable Copilot. Okay, I'm gonna pause and reload. Reload. st_2 .py. So, I think we can, since they're integers, we can do some fun. Actually, this is Beth's. Actually, no, let me change this to Markdown. So if a, so I want to swap a and b without using temporary. So this is if a equals a plus b and b equals b, then right, I can then do then I can do b equals a plus two a plus b. This is step 2. This is step 3. And a equals a plus b. Right. Then b can equals. Oh shit, how to do it? What? What's happening? What? I'm so confused. What's happening? Bro. I'm so confused. Sorry, I'm so sorry about that. Why did I do that? Yes. B minus a minus b, where that means equals minus a. Yeah, that means b equals minus a. That's what happens here. Yeah, that's correct. So then a equals, then we can flip that, and then b equals, right, let's put it here. B equals a at this point. A plus b. Yeah, then we just minus this by this. Yeah, that makes sense. Right. I didn't start my timer again. Well, I can just minus off like. Okay, 2 minutes. Fair. What's happening with my? I'm annoyed. Why is it deleting stuff? Bro. I have no clue why it's deleting stuff. What's happening with Vim? Oh, it's Markdown, isn't it? Yeah, it's Markdown. Gosh dang it. Then now b equals a and a equals b. Yeah, that works. That's annoying. That's not 2, that's 3. Let me just rename that real quick. and it's not pipe or whatever. Doesn't matter. This is SQL, I think. SQL. Right. So, what's the result of the following select star from runners? So we have runners, the names, races, and then runners participation, where it's race in the runner and which event when it came out. So select star from runners, where ID not in winner ID from races. Oh, they want me to get a result. Dang. Okay. Where's my mouse? Okay, select star from runners. So we are getting ID and name. From runners where ID not in win ID in races. So 2, 3, 2. 2, 3, 2. So it's just 1 Amy Lau. Let me just block comment this. I'll block comment later. And then 1, 3, 2, 2, 3, 2. So that would be 4 Julie Ong, and 5 James Lee. This is not how it will the layout will come out, but it's good enough. Comment. Fine. You know what? That works. Right. Okay. That's number 1. Run SQL statement to retrieve the list of runners with the number of races he or she won before. So the winners are here. Read the list of runners with the number of races he and she before. So we want to combine this and this. So what we do is, first the races need to group by. So select winner ID group. Wait, that was here. Okay, so group by count star. Wait, no, sorry, count. Sorry, count star from races group by the winner are there. And this is our inner, so we need to from runners select star from runners. Runners are join wait, left outer join SS SW on R dot ID equals W dot winner ID. I should just cut it. Oh, frick me. Oh wait, shoot. No. Paste. Come on. Oh jeez. That's annoying. Sorry, I'm still not very familiar with him. Alright. Then that's about it. Pog. There's still like so many much left. Okay. Write an SQL statement. And to be fair, half of it is me struggling with Vim. Runners write SQL statement to retrieve the list of race events with the number of runners who participate in each race. Race events. Number of runners. Oh, that's easy. Select race ID count. Yeah, just count. From runners participation. I can't spell. Yeah. I don't think you need group by. By right, you don't even need a group by. In MySQL, I think. Yeah. Bug done. All right. What purpose does a keyword final, finally, and finalize? I don't remember what finalize is. Final is okay. I can give the answers for. Okay. I'm gonna save this. This is for .SQL. I don't think that's how SQL works, but that works. So I'm going to plain text. So final means non-mutable variable. Finally is for catching use in try catch blocks, where finally is executed after throwing an error. I think that's correct. Or after the block was success. That's not spelled right, but whatever. Finalize, I don't know. I forgot what finalize stands for. I kind of think it's like something on like an object you need to finalize it before it can be used, before it can like saved or something. I don't know. I really don't know. Okay, I'm gonna put this as 5. Right. Describe the Spring framework. Spring framework is a web framework for Java that allows us to create backends for backends for Java in Java, utilizing Java. What is dependency injection? Dependency injection is when it's when something needs dependencies. You just, hey, here's a dependency. When an object requires another object to be passed into it for it to function properly. For example, is when object A requires another object, let's say B. Simply, we inject it by passing it according. I don't know if that's the right way to phrase it, but that's how I call it. What is lazy loading? I don't know Hibernate and lazy loading and Hibernate because I don't know Spring. Right, this is the second one this is the one that I know, kinda. It's funky. Without using, so basically it's print your name for 27 times without using recursion or iteration. There were a few ways that some people were talking about. So one way, I don't care about the timer because I already researched this, so it's not right. Is to do like, because 27, is it 27? Yeah, it's like, right? Divided by 3 by 3, right? It's 3 times 3 times 3. So we can do like name equals Pedro, name equals name plus name plus name. Then we can do that. Let's yank that and paste 2 3. Yeah, we can do that, which I don't like. The other thing I saw is name array, where it is a char of 27. Oh wait, I forgot that's not how you do things. Char array equals, no, char array, no, type first. So char blah blah, no, string, pardon me, string name array name, no, just put name equals char 27, I think. String, we stringify this, and then name equals name dot replace. This is me doing it in very Python terms, but it works. That works, right? Then do /0 with like my name. Yeah, so this is one way I saw. Yeah, there are two ways to do it. One is this way, which I really don't like. This I can see being helpful. Yeah, I'm gonna stop. There's no point looking at it. I did it in not really the specified time because I knew a bit. But I think that's fine. Yeah. I really need to practice my Java. Holy crap, I'm so noob. It's you would think that it will all come back to you, but I guess not. There's no Java testing environment I can easily pull up, which is annoying. That's why I really don't like Java. It's really hard to. It's not really hard to prototype, but it's a lot slower to prototype versus Python or Go or whatever. Or even like JavaScript. Like one thing I like about JavaScript, and let me just quickly re-enable. What the heck? I forgot how to get to searches. So for should I see what's answers? Let me enable again. Let me refresh. Oh, where is your settings? Let me. I know for some reason it's disabled for Java right now. Yeah, let me. That's odd. Oh shoot! Yeah, don't save that. Did I put in user? Did I disable it for? Yeah, let's delete that. Right. Where is that going with this? Oh yeah, like even in this one, I think I have Quokka. Quokka, yeah, where I can just basically Quokka. What? Quokka. New file. JavaScript, where it's basically, hey, here's my instance. Like hello, what the heck? Equals, oh wait, var hello equals hello. Bam, print, I can't, console dot log hello. There we go. Fast prototyping code. And of course this is a terrible example, but it's nice because I can just delete that. If I have like an actual project up, I can just run it, and it's nice. Look at the. I'm debating if I should practice Java in IDE. Nah, probably not. I mean, VS Code is an IDE light, I guess. Java practice. So let's actually try to implement this code that we talk about, because not very helpful if we just do that. So new file test.java. Oh, thank you. Public card says public static void main. Oh jeez. Oh jeez. Oh, that's I spelled wrong. Yeah, public static void main. Oh, void main. Oh my gosh. Why is my yay? Oh jeez. What did it keep doing? Okay, my snippets. I don't know how to use my snippets. Why? There we go. Thank you. Right. Let's see if that so it formats it. Right. So let's have another. Let's copy. I'm not gonna copy actually. I'm gonna put this code here. Because I'm pretty confident that this works. I just need to, I mean, it's obviously can be a lot of bugs and crap, but I'm pretty confident it works. I just need to format it well, right? Yes. So yeah, it's been a while. Okay. So public static char. That's it. Can I return it that? Are you happy? No, you're not. Create down shade. Oh, it's literally hi. Is it literally this and this? Yes, it is. Hello. Hola. Why did I say that? It's not unhappy. Right. It's printing, right? Oh, it's... I forgot. Okay, I need to figure out how to throw exception. It's been a while. Let's throw, right? Yeah, what the heck? It's like... It's not been that long. Bro, what's happening? Why are you not happy? Oh, yeah, because I need to put here, right? Throws exception. Right. And then this one needs to do a try. Oh, then, thanks. Right. I'm not... The problem with Copilot, as much as I love it, is that it's terrible for learning. No, it's not terrible for learning. Let me take that back. It is... It encourages the behavior of just putting comments, this is what I'm doing, and letting it do it. And you're not actually actively memorizing anything, which is not good. So I think this will work. Is there a way for me to run it? It's been a long time since I used Java. Okay. Now we have... No. It's like, this failed. Would you want to continue? No. Oh, I don't want to see this. There we go. A, B. No, I don't want to see this. Not that one. Test of Java. Why did the build fix? Sure. I don't know what I did. Right. Which is makes sense because I was not seeing any errors. Can I see my error? Okay. We can do that. What the heck? Where's my... Wait, where the heck is you? Have I not saved you? I just... Cannot find or load main class test. Wrong name test. I'm sorry. Maybe if I remove this? It's been a while, okay. Give me a break. Syntax echo tokens. It should be fine though. I'm gonna create a new Java file. Blah.java. I am correct, right? No class. Cannot find main class test. This is main class. Okay, this is also another way you can try maybe fix it. Oh. Index out of bounds for length 5. It's this. To be fair, I don't even know if this code is correct. Can I have a debugger? Yeah, it's the package. Packages can be annoying. Okay, can I run it now? Yeah, I don't care. Proceed. Tree. Okay, fine. Fix it then. Wait, what can I do? Add. Yeah, move to default. I don't care. Yeah, that's fine. Oh, I guess you're trying to. It shouldn't matter. Whatever. Proceed. Yeah, okay. So I'm gonna. Okay, because it's still looking at these, I'm gonna comment out everything. I don't know if that will fix things. There's nothing in here. Delete that. Yeah, okay, good. At least that's working. I just want to make sure that this one is working, because that's what I'm not sure so far. I know the index errors are here, but I just want to make sure that that's working before I go too crazy. Right, I want to just see this. It's 5, and okay, that's correct. Over here, we just step through. Right, so this is line 1. So we always have the center. And then this one should be and then there's a second one. I just realized I didn't do the other side. So this is only like here and here. So whatever, I'm just gonna continue for now. Yep, continue that. Hello. This is line 3, I think. Wait, I is 2. Oh, line 3. Yeah, I forgot the. How many outward is 2 plus 2? It should be size minus 1. Oops, what did Figure do? What the heck are you doing? Why is it so funky? Wait, no, that back. What? Change minus. Oh my god. Oh, it's replace, right? Yeah, there we go. So that should work now. It's not wrong. Just that. Right. Because it's. It is correct, but the thing is, it's when there's nothing inside, it just prints nothing. Because /0 is not \0 is not the same as space. So what I need to do, fill char array Java. Yeah, you can do this. I forgot about this. Oh, array.fill works. I mean, this is one way to do it. Like char array dot fill. Wait, no, I need arrays dot fill. Fudge. What the heck? I'm gonna remove that. Dot fill. Yeah, I think I import this. It's been a while. That should fix it. Yeah. And then we can adjust this and it should work. So if we let's say 11. Yeah. Poggers. It works. So my code works. What did I change? I changed this. That was kind of bad on my side. I forgot to include the other side. And I need a arrays.fill. I'm not sure if arrays.fill is efficient. I mean, there's so many ways to do it, right? So what we can do is that we literally go through each not object, what do we call it? Yeah, each entry, row column, and then based on a range, because we can also change this logic to a range. So if I and j is in, rather if j is within a certain range, taking into account this, we can choose to fill it with a star or a blank. But I prefer to go this way. It works. This one's loose. Oh, it is hella loose. Why is it so loose? Okay. There we go. Right. This code works. Yes. Which is the one I'm not sure about. Yeah, what's finalize in Java? It's been a while. Oof. The fact that it's like, ooh, it's Spring Boot. Spring Boot. Oh, that's what it means. Damn, it's been a long time since I talked about manual garbage collection. Right. Okay, I need to understand that. This is a bit weird. Okay, so this is a class decoration, which is crazy to me to call on a class finalizable, which makes sense, I guess. So this, you have a reader, which is a buffer reader, and don't know what that is, but we can just assume it's a reader of some sort. Oops. Finalize gets the inputs from this.get class. There's no .get class, but okay. Then we get class loader. Oh, this. Okay, got it. You know, this should be this, right? I'll see. .class loader, .get resources file. This.reader. Equals new buffer reader. New input streamer reader input. Gotcha. Then read first line is reader dot first line dot reader dot read line. Return first line. Just put this in here, but whatever. The class finalizable has a field reader which references a closable resource. Field reader. I assume this is the closable source. No, this should be the one. Whatever. When an object is created from this class, it constructs a new buffered reader instance reading from a file in the class path. Okay, fine. Right. Such an instance is used in read first line to extract the first line. Yep. isn't close in a given code. I know. What the heck? Yeah. Okay. So it's what? This seems finicky AF. So basically it's this is what for it to be garbage collected if the things are not closed properly. You can force it to be closed and not cause a memory leak through that. Actually, it's not a memory leak. In this case, it will be like pipe seal open or something like that. Rather, I think it still has a lock or something. So nobody else can read the file or something. Not read a file. Read a file should be fine. It's right. Oh, excuse me. Okay. Right. Yeah, I really don't like the idea of not garbage collection. Garbage collection is important, but leaving a pipe open is like not pipe. Is it a pipe? Do you consider it a pipe? And it's basically leaving the input open. True, we might resound our resources before cleanup happens. True. Oh, that's interesting. Right, interesting. I never thought about it. I didn't know that about like section part. What is the finalize method? Right, prints empty thing. If the method were completely empty, the JVM would treat the object if it didn't have a finalizer. Implement intention, which doesn't was nothing in this case. Yeah, don't overwrite random crap. Right. It's a weird one, but okay. Oh, this goes on forever. Oh, that's the reason why. I didn't notice that part. When creating an object, also called a referent, that has a finalizer, the JVM creates an accompanying reference object of type finalizer. After the reference is ready for garbage collection, the JVM marks the reference object as ready for processing and puts it into a reference queue. We can access the queue, what the heck, in the static field queue in the whatever class. You know, a special daemon is called finalizer that keeps running. It looks for objects in the reference queue. When it finds one, it removes the reference object from the queue and calls the finalizer on the reference. The reference will be discarded during the garbage cancel. During the garbage collection, sorry. The finalizer thread cannot keep up. Yeah, finalizers are very expensive. Right. So yeah, close it manually like this. then you're implementing auto-closable. Ah, okay, that's what you're doing. Yes, you will release your resources immediately. Oh. It's deprecated in Java 9. Which is old, but Java is still very supported. Gotcha. Dependency injection. I want to see how the internet defines dependency injection. Yeah, that's it. Just dependency injection. I just realized I'm very low on my computer. I'm not having proper posture. Yeah, lazy loading in Hibernate. I have no clue what that is. Is Hibernate a framework? Yeah, it's a framework, no wonder. So lazy loading, as far as I'm aware, is when... Yeah, so a lot of things use lazy loading, where only when you need it then you load. For example, when you're on a website, and only when you scroll to the point where you need an image or something, then it will load. Hibernate, but is an ORM. Okay, so what is lazy loading in Hibernate then? Right. Okay. Oh, it's initialization of an object. Gotcha. Right. So, okay, let's use the lady. Right, it makes sense. So this one is a one-to-many, and because the fetch type is lazy, only when you need the detail here, then you get it, which makes sense. It's I think GOM does that as well. Actually, no, GOM doesn't do that. You actually need to explicitly say, "Hey, load it this way," or "Not load it this way." And yeah, in that sense, I don't think GOM has lazy loading. Does GOM have lazy loading? I don't think GOM has lazy loading. Yeah, it's just eager loading only. Yeah, because if you don't load it, I don't think it will show up even. That makes sense. Yeah, so if you put a user lazy, it will only do it. That makes sense.
No, not really. That's nearby. I'm putting it here.
That's useful. Okay. Right. It's pretty good. Yeah. Cool. I should probably test this part. Right. What am I looking for? This one. I'm gonna drop frames, I know. This is why you need a new computer. Oh yeah, the Java one. Not the Java one, the printy. The printy. This one's terribly written. I need to like... I don't know how do I represent this. So A plus B, then A equals. Right. I don't know if this makes sense in my head. I've read this needs comments. It's not SQL. Jeez, my attention span is so bad. This one's 9. Where did I put it? Did I not save it? Oh, it's here. Wait, is it? No. Nanny. Oh, it's here. Okay. Oh, I also want to check Spring Framework because this is just what I knew off the top of my head. Alright, so this is what I want to see. Right, so I'm just gonna put it here. Minimize you, minimize. I forgot what's a keyboard shortcut to minimize this, but whatever. So I want to static string print string x times. So the int x and string name is string. Frick me. String, is it capital? Yeah, it is. What? Oh yeah, duh. So yeah, this is what I was gonna ask too. I don't do it that way. So first we're gonna do a string times occurrence equals string char x, I think. Is it new char x? Oh, I need to put new. Then, yep. And then we can try this out. Yeah. I can put it here. I don't really like putting it there, but whatever. Print string x types 27. Yeah. It's like how we ignored it. But I have to do that. If not, it would be very unhappy. Right, let's run that. Why did it not work? Right, because. Right. Whoops. Yep, that works. Pog. Yep. I'm pretty happy. I just realized you can barely see me because of how dark everything is. Look. No lighting solution here. Actually, is there a way for me to adjust? I'm getting very distracted. I'm sorry. Like I open here. Hold the camera. No, there's nothing for me to change. Alright, that's fine. Right. Yeah, that's good. Poggers. There's a lot of like Java frameworks that I'm not familiar with. I'm okay with Theory Java. It takes a while for me to get back in the groove of it. But I think I can do a project in Java to force myself to learn Spring Boot. Because I'm of the opinion that if you don't do a project in something, you're not gonna. See, I just dropped a bunch of frames, so I don't know how much of my audio cut out. But my opinion is that if you don't do a project with it, it's really hard to apply what you know. what you learned. So I'm probably gonna do a project called the, not a project called the thing. It's I have an idea of a website I want to make that sends you, you can store stuff inside. So like just strings basically. Those words. So you can store like a password or something inside. And once you store it in there, you can set it to say, oh, let me only email it to me back in like 24 hours. So whenever you want to retrieve the password or whatever back, you need to type in the password, and the system will like, okay, cool. Here, your 24 hours. Come back later, and then you can access it for maybe the next 24 hours. Because I don't feel like implementing email, because that's expensive, and I'm not. I don't intend to do that because that's expensive. I don't know if it probably nobody will probably use it, so I can probably get away with it. I see. This is why I need another computer, because my CPU just jumped. Not my CPU, my frames process just I run my frames per second. I'm sorry, I need to pee. My brain is messed up. Just jumps from like 25, which is not like ideal already for like live streaming, to 18, and then went back. So my audio for sure did dip out. And the annoying thing is, I know for a fact that if it doesn't matter if I'm doing 1440p, 1080p, 720p, Mac OS just doesn't like scaling. Actually, no. Even without scaling, I think I had issues where I was doing pure 1440p. I don't know. It's just the way Macs prioritize things is that I can't set my GPU render to take up more importance. I don't know if that makes sense, but it does make sense in my head. And it's annoying. Actually, no, CPU prioritization in an ARM Mac OS is completely different from Windows. Oh, no, sorry, from Windows, from Intel. Probably because of the introduction of big little cores, where previously everything was like homogeneous cores. I don't know if that's the right word. All right, but I'm done. So I'm going to call this stream at end. I'm going to be working on... What do I want to work on? More drop frames. I didn't drop frames that time. I'm going to work on the Telegram link shortener. More work on that. I need a lot of refactoring on that. And I don't think I can public that, because if I'm going to public that, I need to create a test bot ID, a bot, so that it doesn't overtake my real bot in case anything leaks. I'm not sure if you heard that. I kind of like cracked my jaw. Yeah, because I don't want anything to leak, which is very, very possible. So I'm going to call it an. It's a very short stream. And I'm doing it only because my friend said, hey, can you do this? And I was like, okay, let's try. All right, see you. Bye, stream. I didn't click end.